So I have decided to make it my short to intermediate term project to deseed / deshell the deck. And so what I mean by that is when we feed the critters, give them peanuts, other seeds, corn, and then like already shelled peanuts. And so what happens is they get stuck in between the cracks on the deck, and so they can't fall through, but it's also not easy to pick them out. So what I have decided to do, I have a kitchen knife, a butter knife, and I just go along and slowly take the stuff out, collect the pieces, and so I'm gonna do this we feed them mostly over here and here. Hey Stella, are you gonna come help me deshell and deseed the deck? Do you want peanut? Here. Where'd it go? I left. No, you didn't leave. You're right there. Here you go. Got that one? You just poop. You little ninkle poop. You pooper. Alright, so there's seeds. Not seeds. Peanuts. And more peanuts. This is what they want. Here you go. That one over there. You want that one? Or are you just having fun? You're just having fun, aren't you? Okay. Alright, and so then continue on. And if it falls through, that's okay too. It's still getting out from under the deck. You can like hose out under the deck if we need to. That's the task. I saw that. Continues.